Hi everyone, Miss Wadlinger here. I'm just going to quickly take you through how to use the PHET Circuit Construction Kit Virtual Lab. So you should already be here and you'll notice you have access to a whole bunch of materials on the left side and you have access to voltmeters and ammeters on the right side. So let's go ahead and build a circuit. It's very easy to put together. All you need to do is match up the dotted red circles and you can connect junctions. And so if I want to build a circuit, I can connect the battery to a light bulb, and there is my circuit, and I can see the electrons moving. If I want to make this look a little nicer, or if I want to add in more circuit components, I can click on any junction, and then I have the option to cut it, which now separates my wires. So now I can add more wires in, I can add another light bulb in. If I want to square this off, I can even connect wires so I can make turns. And now I have a circuit built again. You also notice that you'll have things like switches, and if I click the down arrow, there are lots more options of things you can add, including interesting things like a dog and a pencil. So the other thing we can do is use our voltmeter and ammeter. So this is a voltmeter, and all you need to do to connect it is to connect it on either side of an electrical component. And that will give us access to the voltage. If you connect it backwards, then you'll notice that the voltage is negative, but the value is still the same. You can also use an ammeter in order to measure current. The ammeter has to be part of the circuit to work, so I'll need to disconnect my circuit to put in the ammeter. So I'll click this junction and I will cut it, and then I will stick my ammeter in the gap and connect it up, and then you can see I have a current reading as well. Beyond this, if you need to change the voltage of your battery or affect any of your components, you can click on the component itself, and you'll notice now at this point I can change the voltage of my battery, I can reverse the polarity, so the direction, or I can delete the component completely. And that's all you need to know to use the PHET Circuit Construction Kit. Good luck!